You're watching SGT Times, your daily dose of campus buzz and beyond. I am Lavneesh Panchal. Let's have a look at the top story. SGT University workshop on live e-waste. Cabinet approves Mission Mosam to strengthen India's climate resilience. NH48 service road closed for 2 months. Heavy rain forecasted in Gurgaon next 3 days. Now the news in detail. SGT University successfully hosted a pivotal workshop focused on two crucial topics: the Mission Life initiative aimed at promoting sustainable living practices and the urgent issue of electronic waste management. The session sought to equip participants with a thorough understanding of sustainable practices and actionable solutions to address e-waste challenges. Let's have a look.
The overarching goal was to enhance environmental sustainability and raise awareness about effective waste management strategies. Professor Dr. Madhavi Sharma, Dean of the Faculty of Education at SGT University, served as patron of the workshop, underscoring the university's commitment to environmental and educational advancement. Dr. Renu Sharma, Head of Program Research and Advocacy at HM E-Waste Management, led the sessions on e-waste management, offering valuable insights into innovative strategies. The workshop aimed to enhance understanding of sustainable living and foster collaboration among academics, professionals, and community members, thereby strengthening efforts toward environmental sustainability and effective e-waste management.
We gathered a lot of inputs and how we can contribute ourselves, our bits in saving our environment from the potential damage that can be caused due to unplanned disposal of the electronic gadgets and waste.
ये चीज़ बताई गई कि कैसे हम ई-वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट कर सकते हैं, कैसे जो भी हमारे गैजेट्स होते हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स होते हैं या कुछ भी जो ई-वेस्ट है उसको हम कैसे अपने घर में स्टोर ना करके उसका कैसे रीयूज़ कर सकते हैं, रिसाइकल कर सकते हैं और उसको कैसे रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं.
The Union Cabinet has approved Mission Mosam, a rupees 2,000 crore initiative aimed at improving India's weather prediction and climate resilience. The program will utilize advanced technology to better tackle extreme weather and climate change impact. Let's have a look.
The Union Cabinet has approved Mission Mosam, a transformative project with a rupees 2,000 crore budget to boost India's weather forecasting and climate adaptation. This 2-year initiative, led by the Ministry of Earth Sciences, will deploy advancement radars, satellite systems, and supercomputers. It aims to enhance the accuracy of weather forecasts and manage climate-related challenges more effectively. The mission will benefit various sectors, including agriculture, disaster management, and aviation, and involves key institutions like the Indian Meteorological Department and the Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
Let's take a short break. We will be back soon.
Step into the spotlight at SGT University. Join the Faculty of Mass Communication and Media Technology, where innovation meets excellence. Experience our top-tier infrastructure, a dynamic news recording studio, advanced podcast lab, high-tech PCR, and a professional shooting floor, all equipped with the latest industry technology. Our curriculum, designed to meet industry demands, offers real-world projects that set you apart. Learn from seasoned industry professionals and gain insights from renowned personalities and industrial icons. Ready to make headlines? Ignite your media career at SGT University.
Welcome back after the break. The Delhi Traffic Police have announced that the service road on NH48 stretching from the merging point at Dwarka link road to the Mahipalpur petrol pump will be closed for the next 2 months. This closure will take effect immediately. Is necessary due to urgent repair work initiated by the National Highway Authority of India. Let's have a look.
The impact on traffic flow from Gurgaon to Mahipalpur is expected to be substantial. Key locations affected include Mahipalpur, Vasant Kunj, IGI Airport, and Dholakua. To mitigate congestion and inconvenience, drivers are advised to use alternative routes such as the Mehroli-Gurgaon Road and various crossings through Dwarka. For those looking to avoid road traffic altogether, the advisory strongly recommends utilizing the metro system. Commuters are urged to plan their journeys and consider these alternatives to ensure a smoother travel experience during this period of road closure. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
IMD has issued a yellow alert for Gurgaon, forecasting heavy rain and thunderstorms over the next 3 days. The alert warns residents to prepare for the intense weather condition at isolated locations throughout the city. Let's have a look.
Gurgaon experienced light rain, with the city recording a total of 5 millimeters of rainfall by 5 pm. This recent precipitation comes amidst an overall warmer trend, with the minimum temperature in Gurgaon recorded at 26.2 degrees Celsius, 1.6 degree above the seasonal average. The maximum temperature reached 35.2 degrees Celsius, marking a slight increase of 0.6 degree compared to the previous day. Low-lying area and those prone to flooding should be especially cautious, as heavy rainfall may lead to waterlogging and potential disruptions. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
And that's wrap up today's SGT Times. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for more updates.